Hi everyone. We'll move on to the next, the most important analysis ever made by any investor before going to taking a decision on investment. Fundamental analysis. The name itself, it will explain what type of analysis it is. This fundamental analysis is to determine the value of share through analysis of the financials, which are fundamental to the company. In this analysis, the financial data of a company, like its earnings, income, dividend, etc., are taken to consideration. Where the financials are going to be taken, it is none other than the place, it's a annual report. So data which are taken from the annual report, which will be used for calculation of the financial viability of the particular company. This fundamental analysis measure the financial soundness of the company. While you are reading the financial statement of a company, generally anyone can get the information about the company's performance and its future prospects, and also consider the macroeconomic factor which is going to be affecting the company today and tomorrow, and even sometimes past. And also it will be say about there that how these factors will make the impact in the company decision and company profit in the future. And apart from this, the main reason why the investor has to go for the fundamental analysis mean, due to this, an investor can understand what is the credit risk of the particular company, and what is the how to project the performance of the company and evaluate the company stock and the project futures. So fundamental analysis, which is very important, quite it will take a long time to make it to understand and evaluate the things, but the result is will giving there the a good one and to help lot to make a decision, yes I'm go or not. In the fundamental analysis, the one more thing, one more ratio we are going to use it, EPS, that is called earning per share. So what is the earning per share? It is also the one of the indicator of profitability of a company. This is going to be calculated by comparing the net profit after tax divided by total number of outstanding shares. That is called profit after tax divided by the number of outstanding equity shares. That is called EPS. When the EPS is more, company is good. When the EPS is less, company is bad. So EPS, why it is important mean, it is going to be calculated after tax. That after paying everything, what it is remaining, that one how much it is going to be yield to the each and every share representing in the company, that is especially outstanding, which is called the EPS. So EPS is the one more a best type of what we call the a ratio, help the investor to make the decision on investment. And next one is the dividend yield and dividend payout. What is the dividend yield and payout? One is yield, generating, another one is outing, that means distributing. So dividend yield is also, it is a important one. Both the dividend are important because ultimately I am going for investment only because of return. Return in equity market is called the dividend. So when the dividend is coming more, I will go for the investment. When the dividend is less, I will never go for the investment. So how am I going to be take a decision? I can be check the dividend yield capacity of the company, then I invest, then I will earn the dividend. That is called dividend payout. So dividend yield is expressed in terms, I think how it is going to be, it's a market value per share. It is going to be calculated by means of dividing the dividend already declared in a share divided by the market price of the share. That means I am the new investor, I am going to find out what is the dividend yield. For that I am calculating what is the dividend is given by declared in the last year, and divided by what is the market price of today. I will get there the dividend yield. That means how much a percentage of the market risk is reflected in the market price of the particular share. And dividend payout means it is calculated by dividing the total dividend paid by the company after tax divided by total number of the what you call the market shares. So that is called the dividend payout. So these two items, that is earning per share, dividend yield and dividend payout, will help the investor to understand the financial viability of that particular company with the help of understanding the financial data which is taken from the annual report of the particular company. Thank you.